Good morning, children. Today I welcome you to the moral science class, and today the topic is I show responsibility. Now, children, what is responsibility? To take the ownership of something, maybe your actions, maybe your act, or your work. You take the ownership of it. That is responsibility. For that, we have to take out my best book number 4, Moral Science, chapter number 5 and page number 2, and it is I show responsibility. So children, come, let's start studying it. So children, here is the topic I show responsibility. So let's start. Bikram lives in a village. He has a well right outside his house. So he helps his mother fill bucket under her supervision. Write on each bucket one responsible act that you do. See, I make my bed. Some of you must be helping your mother in kitchen. You can say, I help my mother in the kitchen. Some of you must be sweeping the house. You can write, I sweep the house. So there is nothing wrong in taking up responsibility from your mother, right? So let's learn a story. The son was feeling tired. He had been working so long. He had to glow all the time. He decided to go on a holiday and relax. As you know, every day in the morning till evening we see the sun, right? So it never, if also it is tired, it never stays absent for a day, does it? It always comes and it always brightens the sky. So the son was eventually very tired. He also wanted to relax, okay? So he wanted to take a leave or a holiday for some time, okay? In the next page, he did not come out for weeks. Nobody could see him during the day. Even everything seemed to a standstill. It got very cold. The leaves of tree dried and fell. So he took a holiday for a few weeks, okay, and he did not come at all. So what will happen if the sun comes? Then only we get the heat and the warmth. But if the sun doesn't come at all, what will happen? The earth will become so cold to live, right? So everything became very standstill, like nothing was working. Standstill may become like a solid rock, okay? Everything came to a standstill. It did not move. It got very cold, okay? Because if the sun is there, that's why we are keeping ourselves warm. But if the sun is only not coming, then what will happen? If the sun doesn't come, we will all have to see the winter season. It will be very, very, very cold. The leaves of tree dried and fell. So, during winter season, the leaf of the tree, it falls down. So if there is no sun, what will happen? The leaves will fall down. People found it difficult to come out of the house. The son thought of checking what was happening without him. He saw that snow had covered the land and it was freezing cold. After a few days, the son thought, okay, let me go and check how are things going on, how are people working. He saw that none of the people were coming out of the house. It was so cold that the entire area was filled with ice or snow, okay? So, is it good? It is not good, right? When everything is covered with ice, it's so cold, you cannot go out anywhere. It is very difficult. He felt bad about not rising. He decided to be more responsible and come out to rise and shine every day. Life became normal after the sun rose. The trees were green again, the birds were flying, the children were playing. So the son understood that just because he did not come for a few weeks, everything became so cold and the trees started shedding their leaves and the village was covered with snow. So it was difficult for every human being. They were not coming out of the house. So he said that I should not be irresponsible. I should take out my own responsibility and come out every day and shine. So he started coming back. So he started shining every day. He came every day and started shining. and the entire life came back into normalcy. That means it became normal once again. The trees, they again got the green leaves, the birds started flying and they started singing, and the people came out of the house, they went and did their work, so everything became normal again. Okay? Children, you must act responsibly, otherwise you may create problem for others. So children, suppose you have said something to someone, maybe good or bad, always take the responsibility. Yes, I have said that. You should always say the truth and take the responsibility of your act. Okay? Suppose some work has been given to you by your mother or your father, do it. You should be responsible enough to do that work, because they cannot support you all the time. You have to learn to be supportive and responsible, right? So hopefully children, you understood the topic, yeah? And we have completed the chapter, and keep practicing this, keep reading it loud so that you can speak well, okay? Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.